Hi KJC VIPs, welcome to the KJC Postpartum Program. Now before we begin this program, I just want to let you know, please consult your physician before beginning any type of fitness program or waist training program. Your safety is our #1 concern.
Absolutely. Now the products that you will need is going to be the maternity support panty, the postpartum panty, the KJC reducing gel, the KJC faja of course, and a KJC body shaper.
You're going to want to pack your maternity support panty with you to the hospital. Most likely this is the garment that you're going to be wearing home from the hospital, because once you have your baby, although we'd like to think that our stomachs go back to flat and tiny right away, it does take some time. So the maternity support panty, it's that panty that you wore while you were pregnant, and you can also wear it home from the hospital, but it'll start to give you that light compression and that support that you're going to need.
Yes, you also will need to give yourself at least a week wearing the postpartum panty before you transition into, you know, the other things that we have. It has Velcro, so it will help you tighten your stomach. It will give you that nice support, and it will help you control and contract the uterus back to its place where it should be.
So what you're going to want to do approximately 1 week postpartum, after you've had your first doctor's appointment typically, where the doctor kind of checks you out, makes sure everything's okay. I also should add, this is for natural births. If you've had a C-section before you begin any of this program, you do need to make sure your incision is healed. So again, once you're about 1 week postpartum after that doctor's appointment, you're going to want to measure for your KJC faja. So you're going to follow the measuring guidelines that are on our website and measure for the faja as well as for the body shaper. And then those are the first two products you're going to wear. You're actually going to wear the body shaper knee first, and it is made of a power net material. There's a lot of compression, but it's not as intense as the faja, so it'll kind of ease you into that. And you're going to want to wear that as long as you can. So up to 24 hours a day if you can, if you're comfortable with it. You can work your way up to that, but it is perfectly safe to wear even while you're sleeping. And it'll kind of start to make everything go back to where it needs to go.
A lot of people who go through major lipo or major surgery, it's recommended by the doctors that they wear it 24 hours technically, and it's something that you use as well once you have a baby, because you know that this is a huge event. This is something big that happens with your body. So that's very important. Now, you're going to be expecting to probably go about 3 to 5 fajas while you're reducing and going back into your normal, you know, pre-baby body. And so just know that you're expecting to transition at about 3 to 5 fajas, depending on how tiny you want to go.
Yeah, because basically you're helping your body along an already natural process that's going to be occurring. Your uterus is going to contract for several weeks after giving birth. So by wearing compression garments, you're helping your body along in this process. And it'll actually go faster than for someone that, say, is maybe just overweight beginning to waist train. So it's perfectly normal to go through. So if you start with perhaps maybe a size 40 faja, which is the 2XL, you might go through that faja in under a month and go on to the next one and the next one. And you're going to be graduating on the clasps quickly as well, because again, your body is naturally trying to reduce in size. You're just helping it along. So you're going to want to use that momentum to your advantage. And it's perfectly normal, again, depending on what your goals are, to go to up to as much as 5 fajas. So
correct. It is very important that you use a reducing gel. We always say kind of put it all over your body. I actually highly recommend, especially on those times when you wear your body shaper, put it all over your thighs, your stomach, all of that area, because that's going to help tighten everything. And one of the amazing benefits of the reducing gel is that it helps you reduce cellulite and just pretty much burn fat all over, and that's what you really need. And
it's going to make your skin tighter too. It's going to, that loose skin that feels really, really loose after you had a baby, it starts to really kind of firm it up and makes it nice and tight. And then you're also going to, once you've actually graduated to wearing the faja and you're working your way up, you're going to start with 1 hour a day up into 10 to 12 hours a day. You're going to just want to transition over to our KJC waist training program, and you can go ahead and follow that. It's just along the regular program that all of our KJC girls follow. And there you have it.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Congratulations to all the mommies to be.